हाय संग माने आज आम शिखा राग संबंधित सेंटेंसेस जहाँ तुमे जेते बेले रागी थिबो नहले अन्य किए रागी थिले कहि परिबो। चलो आरंभ करिबा। I am really angry right now. I am really angry right now. माने मु एबे सतरे क्रोधित। Take a deep breath and try to calm down. Take a deep breath and try to calm down. माने एक दीर्घ निश्वास नियो एवं शांत हेबाकु चेष्टा करो। I can't calm down. I am so frustrated. I can't calm down. I am so frustrated. ओडिया रे मु शांत होई पारिबि नाही, मु बहुत हताश। I understand you're upset. I understand you're upset. ओडिया रे मु बुझी पारुछि तुमे अस्थिर अछो। Let's talk about what happened. Let's talk about what happened. चलो कौन हैला से विषय रे कथा हेबा। I can't believe they did that to me. I can't believe they did that to me. ओडिया रे मु विश्वास करि पारु नाही जे से माने मो प्रति ताहा करिसंती। I know it's unfair, but getting angry won't solve the problem. I know it's unfair, but getting angry won't solve the problem. ओडिया रे मु जाने यह अन्याय किंतु क्रोधित हेबा समस्यार समाधान नुहे। Let's think of a solution together. Let's think of a solution together. ओडिया रे आसो एकत्र समाधान विषय चिंता करिबा। I just want to yell and scream. I just want to yell and scream. ओडिया रे मु केवल चित्कार करिबाकू एवं पार्टी करिबाकू चाहूची। Yelling won't help. Yelling won't help. ओडिया रे चित्कार करिले साहाय्य करिबो नाही बा चित्कार करिले किछि फायदा नाही। Let's find a constructive way to express your feelings. Let's find a constructive way to express your feelings. ओडिया रे तुमर भावना को प्रकाश करिबा पई एक गठनमूलक उपाय खोजिबा। I feel like punching something. I feel like punching something. ओडिया रे मते किछि पीटे परि लागुछि। Violence won't make you feel better. Violence won't make you feel better. ओडिया रे हिंसा तुमको भलो अनुभव करिवो नाही। How about trying a stress relief activity like punching a pillow? How about trying a stress relief activity like punching a pillow? ओडिया रे तकिया को पिटिबा परि एक चापरु मुक्ति कार्यकलाप चेष्टा करिबा केमिति थिबो। I don't know how to control my anger. I don't know how to control my anger. ओडिया रे मोर क्रोध को किपरि नियंत्रण करिबी मु जाने नाही। It takes practice, but you can learn. It takes practice, but you can learn. एहा अभ्यास करिबा आवश्यक किंतु तुमे सिखि पारिबो। Take a moment to step back and take deep breaths. Take a moment to step back and take deep breaths. ओडिया रे पछको फेरिबा पई किछि समय नियो एवं गभीर निश्वास नियो। I am afraid I'll say something I'll regret. I am afraid I'll say something I'll regret. ओडिया रे मते भय अछि कि मु किछि एमिति कहिबी जहा मु अनुताप करिबी। Take your time to calm down before responding. Take your time to calm down before responding. ओडिया रे प्रतिक्रिया करिबा पूर्वरु शांत हेबाकु समय नियो। It's better to communicate when you're in a calmer state of mind. It's better to communicate when you're in a calmer state of mind. ओडिया रे जेतेबेले तुमे शांत मन रे थिबो सेतेबेले कथा हेबा भलो। I understand it's painful, but holding on to anger will only hurt you more. I understand it's painful, but holding on to anger will only hurt you more. ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛି ଏହା ଯନ୍ତ୍ରଣାଦାୟକ, କିନ୍ତୁ କ୍ରୋଧକୁ ଧରି ରଖିବା କେବଳ ତୁମକୁ ଅଧିକ କ୍ଷତି ପହଞ୍ଚାଇବ। Let's find a way to heal. Let's find a way to heal. ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ଚାଲ ସୁସ୍ଥ ହେବାର ଏକ ଉପାୟ ଖୋଜିବା। I don't want this anger to consume me. I don't want this anger to consume me. ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ମୁଁ ଚାହେଁ ନାହିଁ ଏହି କ୍ରୋଧ ମୋତେ ଗ୍ରାସ କରୁ। That's a positive realization. That's a positive realization. ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ତାହା ଏକ ସକାରାତ୍ମକ ଅନୁଭବ। I need some time alone. I need some time alone. ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ମୋତେ ଏକୁଟିଆ କିଛି ସମୟ ଦରକାର। Take the time you need, but remember I'm here for you whenever you're ready to talk. Take the time you need, but remember I'm here for you whenever you're ready to talk. ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ତୁମକୁ ଯେତେ ସମୟ ଦରକାର ନିଅ, କିନ୍ତୁ ମନେ ରଖ ଯେତେବେଳେ ତୁମେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା କରିବାକୁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ଥିବ ମୋତେ କୁହ, ମୁଁ ତୁମ ପାଇଁ ଏଠାରେ ଅଛି। Thank you for being patient with me. Thank you for being patient with me. ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ମୋ ସହ ଧୈର୍ଯ୍ୟବାନ ହୋଇଥିବାରୁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ। Of course, we all have moments of anger. Of course, we all have moments of anger. ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ଅବଶ୍ୟ ଆମ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର କ୍ରୋଧର ମୁହୂର୍ତ୍ତ ଅଛି। He clenched his fist in anger. He clenched his fist in anger. ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ସେ କ୍ରୋଧରେ ମୁଠା ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେଲା। She shouted angrily. She shouted angrily. ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ସେ କ୍ରୋଧରେ ଚିତ୍କାର କଲା। Their faces turned red with anger. Their faces turned red with anger. ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କ୍ରୋଧରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ମୁହଁ ଲାଲ ହୋଇଗଲା। The angry customer demanded to see the manager. The angry customer demanded to see the manager. କ୍ରୋଧିତ ଗ୍ରାହକ ମ୍ୟାନେଜରଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଦାବି କଲେ। His voice trembled with anger. His voice trembled with anger. ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ତାଙ୍କ ସ୍ୱର କ୍ରୋଧରେ ଥରି ଉଠିଲା। She lashed out with hurtful words. She lashed out with hurtful words. ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ସେ ଆଘାତ କରିବା ଶବ୍ଦର ପ୍ରୟୋଗ କଲା। He punched the wall in fury. He punched the wall in fury. ସେ କ୍ରୋଧରେ କାନ୍ଥକୁ ମାରିଲା। She took deep breaths to calm down. She took deep breaths to calm down. ସେ ଶାନ୍ତ ହେବାକୁ ଗଭୀର ନିଶ୍ୱାସ ନେଲା। He realized he needed a break. He realized he needed a break. ସେ ଅନୁଭବ କଲେ ଯେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଏକ ବିରତି ଦରକାର। They apologized for their anger. They apologized for their anger. ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ସେମାନେ ସେମାନଙ୍କର କ୍ରୋଧ ପାଇଁ କ୍ଷମା ମାଗିଲେ। She sincerely apologized. She sincerely apologized. ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ସେ ଆନ୍ତରିକତାର ସହ କ୍ଷମା ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା କରିଲେ। He listened empathetically. He listened empathetically. ସେ ସହାନୁଭୂତି ସହିତ ଶୁଣିଲେ। They suggested a calming walk. They suggested a calming walk. ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ସେମାନେ ଏକ ଶାନ୍ତ ଚାଲିବା ପାଇଁ ପରାମର୍ଶ ଦେଇଥିଲେ। ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ଭୁଲକୁ ସ୍ୱୀକାର କରିଲେ। He acknowledged his mistakes. He acknowledged his mistakes. Don't let your anger take control. Don't let your anger take control. କ୍ରୋଧ ତୁମକୁ ନିୟନ୍ତ୍ରଣ ନ କରୁ। ଯଦି ଏହି ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ଲାଇକ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଏମିତି ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ।